So we're gonna talk about how this NVIDIA closed today at $111, and after hours, yo, this is by 110. It almost got to like 109 after hours. What's happening, bro? This is deteriorating in front of our faces. This is actually crazy. I'm not gonna lie. So if you go on the 5 minute, we're gonna start with the 5 minute today. Early in the day, we had a crazy pop. We got to like 115, like 115, 116. We got to 116, which is not that crazy of a pop. It was like 2-3%. But look, from here, this 112, we got up to 116, then just gave it all up and some. Got to 111, 111 again. Tried, getting these little pops during the day, and we finished around 111. If you can see here, we closed 111 with a market cap of 2.75 trillion. And this is insane. This is actually just deteriorating. They had a SIG graph where it wasn't impressive. I already knew it wasn't gonna be like a performance like GTC or like Computex. He was just gonna talk with the CEO, Zuck, Fireside Chat CEO. So whoever was anticipating movement with this, I hope the best went for you. But it doesn't look like the puts or the calls are winning on this. Maybe the puts are gonna get a little something, but it didn't even drop that much after close. So where do we think this could be going next? Let's go on the daily now, which is the most important, the daily and the weekly. Really the monthly, but if you go on the monthly on NVIDIA, it's just going to be a line straight up to the moon. So let's go one by one. Monthly on NVIDIA, basically useless, but it's telling you something. It's telling you the top was almost here. Now, if you go on the weekly, this is where you can see NVIDIA a little bit better. This was the April correction. This was 2024. We had the little April correction, ran again, claimed 140, and now we find ourselves around here. And this could go a little more, but let's look on the daily for a little better picture. So this is the daily. This is the best picture you're gonna see on NVIDIA right now. So we had the 140 top June 20th, got the 20% correction, consolidated a few days, ran back up to try to test this 140 to like 136, 37, and after that we've just fallen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 days, just 2 weeks down the drain. And it's honestly been all of tech. If you go into the IWM, the money's been rotating into those small caps, or as so they've been saying. And it's true. Some of the small caps have been flying. IWM, Russell 2000 has been showing it. Meta, Microsoft, Google, Tesla, mega caps, Mag 7 been going down. And NVIDIA's following the lead. I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, we have to see if earnings could save this and try to push NVIDIA over 120. That's honestly where we have to see. If you're a bull, you want to claim this 120. That's going to be very crucial. But as you can see, we're fighting under this 120. And we're going to have to try to get over that to try to get any strength. Because any pop right now is getting sold off. Everybody is using these pops to stay cash, really. And I'm cash right now, too. I'm not going to lie. So I don't want to risk anything right now. I'm staying full cash. Let's actually go on Robinhood and see. So if you go on Robinhood, I have 18 cash right now out of my whole position. I just have a little Tesla debit spread 2 years out. But other than that, I'm waiting for this bad boy to get to like $98, 99, maybe out 100. I'll start dollar cost averaging. I have to see, but I do not want to buy NVIDIA here. This could be a falling knife. This could go a little lower. And we have to see where this could go. Look at this little gap fill here at 95. That's where I anticipate this is going to come. And remember, guys, the little fib from swing high, swing low. Confirmed this little 106 that got bought up the other day right here, 107, 108, 106. Retested it now after 2 months. This was in May. We retested this now. So if you're a bull, you want to reclaim this 120. 120 was the area you want to find yourselves at to try to have any strength for 125. And if we don't reject that 120, or if we don't even get up to 120, look for like 106 again, this low right here of 106, 105 maybe. And then that is where we're going to have to see if we get a bounce for, try to reclaim 115, 116 again, or if we just give it up and go straight under 100. Because once we get to 106, 105 again, 107, we have to see if we just go for that 100 or if we get a nice pop like we did and we get bought up like we did this day. So be looking for 120 and 106. Those are the two levels you're going to want to be looking at. And it doesn't have to go up or down, guys. This could stay range bound right here from this 120, 105, 120, 105 until it breaks out 108. But when it goes up 125, we're going to have to see what we're doing up there because it's going to get a little crazy right now. Small caps could actually fly. Mega cap could come down, but we have earnings on the 4 biggest customers, or 3 now. Google already went. We have Amazon coming up, Microsoft coming up, and Meta. Meta's a big customer there. So let's see how this plays out, guys. I'm really interested in following this NVIDIA and trying to get this at like 99, $100, because that's a price I feel I could sell covered calls and be making a good 500, 1,000, a few bucks a month. You get me? Even if I'm in underwater, 85, 80, 90 bucks, I still feel 100 will go up until the day I just sell the shares, which the day is going to come, because this is going to moon again. I'm not going to lie. This is going to moon again, but I'm just taking it day by day. I don't want to talk about earnings. Tomorrow we'll talk a little bit more about what they said on SIGGRAPH today, but this is just all I have in the video for today, guys. And yeah, that's all I have. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.